Hi, we're going to talk today about the BCG box, Boston Consulting Group, consulting company. 1970s, they were trying to basically assess the value of the investment in a portfolio, or the company's portfolio. But you can also have a look at this tool as a way of looking at the various tasks that you have, various projects that you have. Basically, we have four categories here: cash cows, stars, question marks, and dogs. Let's go through each of those. Cash cows. These are the investments, or these are the projects, depending how you look at it, where the market growth is not that high, but the market share is really high. So high market share on the market, but the growth rate of the market is relatively lower. With this situation, basically it doesn't cost much to maintain such investments, and they give very high return. So the verdict, what to do with such companies, such investments? Milk them. That's why they are called cash cows. Second category, stars. With the stars, we have the market share that we have, which is quite high, higher market share, but the growth rate of the market is low. So what we have there is that market share is high, but the growth costs money. And well, there is a hope that they may become future cash cows, so we have to actually invest in them. The verdict there is to invest. If you have the stars, which are not yet cash cows, invest more with the hope that there will be higher returns, and that they will become cash cows in the future. Question marks, the third category. With question marks, there is basically a situation where the market share is low, but the growth rate is high. The growth rate of the market is high. Well, this is quite a dilemma, honestly, because there's a need for a lot of support, a lot of care, and we don't know, we're not sure whether they will ever become stars and then cash cows, or there will be future problems, so-called problem children that we're gonna have. So this is a hard question. There is no simple answer to what you do with such question marks. That's why they are called question marks. What about the fourth category? The fourth category, called dogs. This is a situation where the market share is low. It's a penetrated market, and the growth rate of the market is also low. So with this small share on the market, with the small growth of the market, basically there is no value, at least no financial value in keeping such investments. So the verdict there will be liquidate. Obviously, there could be some other factors like non-financial issues, like some corporate social responsibility, or if you're looking at it from the perspective of a personal perspective or project perspective, maybe it's a favor for the friend and so on. Well, these are different things, but financial verdict there will be liquidate. There is not much that you can be getting in this situation. So cash cows, high market share, low growth rate. Stars, high market share, low growth rate. Question marks, market share is low, growth rate is high. Dogs, market share is low, growth rate is low as well. Well, this is to summarize what this BCG box and the Boston Consulting Group box matrix is really all about. I just want to finish with one very good, I think, saying. These are the words by Sir John Templeton. He says, the most dangerous words in investing is, this time it's different. We all think that this time it's gonna be different. We are the smartest. We are different. It's gonna be different in our case. Sometimes it just turns out to be old, forgotten truth though. So be careful with that. Analyze your situation, analyze your projects, and good luck.